So in California, we have conservatorships. A conservatorship is a legal case that someone brings to the court where the person who needs help lives and says, I want to be in charge of managing that person's finances, conservatorship of the estate, or their health care, conservatorship of the person. And so when someone is in need, someone can go to court and say, court, I don't think this person can make it on their own, and I would like to be put in charge of managing their finances and managing their person. But within conservatorships, there are subcategories. So there are three main types of conservatorships. There is a general conservatorship. A general conservatorship is usually for someone who, for example, has dementia, they have a traumatic brain injury. There's some reason why a person who used to have the capacity to manage their own affairs can no longer do that. That's a general conservatorship, in short. A limited conservatorship is for people who are developmentally disabled. Those are people who were clients of the regional center before they were age 18. Usually, parents will petition the court to be appointed as the limited conservator of their developmentally disabled child when they reach adulthood. So when a developmentally disabled person is under the age of 18, their parents have the right to make decisions about where they live and who they interact with and what their education will be, and access their health records. But just like everyone else, when they turn 18, they are legally independent of their parents. And without seeking a conservatorship, those parents who are caring for the developmentally disabled child can no longer do so under the eyes of the law. And so those parents will seek out an attorney who will file the papers for them so that they can become limited conservators. The word limited conservator sounds like it's less than a different kind of conservatorship. This is a whole world unto itself. You know, in California, for many years, we've sought from a policy perspective to make sure that people with developmental disabilities can live the fullest and most independent lives possible. And so we have a special kind of conservatorship set up for them, a limited conservatorship, so that they can get the help and protection they need, but also respect that they are independent individuals who have desires and wishes of their own, and we want to help them to accomplish that. In general, these are collaborative matters, and we work with the regional center where the proposed conservatee receives services and the parents to give the parents the legal powers they need to keep the conservatee safe and well cared for. The last kind of conservatorship is a LPS conservatorship, Lanterman-Petris-Short Act conservatorship. Those conservatorships are for people who are gravely disabled. Gravely disabled is a person whose primary diagnosis is a mental health disorder, or it could be like an alcoholism. The only person who can bring an LPS conservatorship is the county in which the person resides. So family members will often come to me and say, you know, for example, I have a brother, he's schizophrenic, he's living on the streets. I want to be his conservator so that I can make healthcare and financial decisions for my brother. Those cases are really tragic and upsetting, but the law doesn't really allow someone to establish a conservatorship where the primary diagnosis is a mental health disorder. That's something that has to be started by the county. And so I know many families feel really helpless that they can't conserve their loved ones whose primary diagnosis is a mental health disorder, but those are very challenging cases. And so those are the three main types of conservatorships: a general conservatorship, a limited conservatorship, and an LPS conservatorship. It's Attorney Amy. I hope you liked that video. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. I post every week. If there's topics or issues you think I should cover and you haven't seen a video here yet, please let me know in the comments.